front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Start by opening Gallery app and selecting if you wanna delete your photos from Photos or Albums sections. Either way, wherever you decided, hold one of your photo you wanna get rid of, and either hit Select All at the top right corners of all of those sections, or click on this button at the top right corner with all of those check marks. Either way, after selecting all of your pictures, click on the ones you wanna keep. Try to click at the bottom right corners. And to get rid of all of those, in my case 10, tap on Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!